Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your DBS internet banking on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. On your computer, first open up your preferred browser, and on the search bar click over there and type in internet-banking.com .dbs.com.sg like this, and hit enter, or you simply search for DBS banking like this, and the same page will open over here. Now to log into your DBS iBanking, enter your user ID over here and enter your PIN number over here, and click on login to sign into your DBS banking system. And if you have not already created a DBS account, click on the get started option to create a DBS bank account, or if you have forgotten your user or PIN, click over here to reset your forgotten user and or PIN number. And then guys, this is how you log into your DBS internet banking. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.